Why am I so thirsty on the carnivore diet? Is that a question you've ever asked yourself? And it seems kind of counterintuitive considering that you're on the carnivore diet, you're drinking water, you're drinking lots of water, and you just keep getting thirstier and thirstier, and you'll drink a cup of water and a minute later you're still thirsty again. Well, let me explain to you what's probably going on in your body to help you understand this a little bit better. Now, for most people, excessive thirst is going to be just a temporary problem. It's just a symptom that the mineral imbalance in your body is off, and it's your body's reaction to try to fix that. So as we covered in some other videos, when you start the carnivore diet and you cut out all the carbohydrates, your insulin levels drop. When your insulin levels drop, it signals the kidneys to stop holding on to sodium, and so your body's releasing water and sodium, and that throws off your balance. Your sodium levels in your body get too low. One of the things sodium does in our bodies is it signals our brain that either we are dehydrated or not dehydrated. So when our sodium levels drop really low, it sends a signal to our brain that tells our brain we're becoming dehydrated. So our brain sends the signal to the rest of our body to drink more water because that's what it thinks we need. And this can be a good thing if we're drinking mineral water when we drink water, but most of us are just drinking plain water, not mineral water. We're drinking more water, which is what our body thinks it needs, but there's no sodium or other minerals in the water, so our body's not getting what it needs, so it keeps signaling us that we're still thirsty. How can we fix this problem? Well, the first solution is add more salt to your meals. So make sure when you're eating your meals, you're having plenty of salt on your food. Second, make sure that a couple times a day in your bottle of water or your cup of water, add a pinch of sea salt in there. That'll help get the sodium back into your body. Third, make sure you're drinking at least one electrolyte drink every day. This is going to provide your body with the sodium, magnesium, and potassium that it needs. Just remember, with no carbs, the insulin is not telling your kidneys to hold on to sodium, so your kidneys are releasing sodium. So you've got to constantly intake more sodium to keep up with this. So make sure you're always drinking your electrolyte drink every day. Make sure you're always salting your food. Put a pinch of salt in a couple of glasses of water a day. Get to the point where you're not constantly thirsty. Like I said, just don't make the mistake of thinking more water by itself is the solution. You need more water, more electrolytes, a little bit of more salt in your water. Hit those up and you'll be doing fine. And when I started, there were a couple of times that I spent days on end drinking so much water every day because I was constantly thirsty. My mouth was dry. I felt parched. Once I got the electrolytes and the sodium levels worked out with what I needed to eat every day and take in every day, the excessive thirst went away, and I was able just to drink normally every day without being thirsty all day long. And that was such a relief. So if on the carnivore diet, you're very, very thirsty, don't panic. In fact, if you're going through excessive thirst, comment below and let me know if you're going through that, if you're adding salt to your diet, and let me know if that helped you or not. Take that for what it's worth. Try more salt in your diet. Let me know how it works out. Thanks for watching the video.